friends, Running Kimono here. This is your best paper deals over at Walgreens until Saturday, November the 29th. Smack dab in the middle of this week is Thanksgiving, and a lot of stores will be closed on the 27th, which is Thursday, so double, triple check if you plan to go shopping in store that day. First thing I want to talk about is I was on the app earlier, and this thing popped up. Oh my gosh. My question to you is, would you buy it? Do you have a little Christmas village? I have never seen anything this cute that they've ever made, and I think this is a step in the right direction, and I'm happy that they're making their own merch. How fun is that? Okay, I know this is a great big discussion on this paper. It was on clearance in certain parts of Michigan, but a lot of you, the rest of the U.S., it's not catching up. It was $1.99, which is 50% off from the $3.99 price. And now I'm noticing it's dropped down to $1.88 in certain markets. So I don't know, guys. Keep an eye on it. And when you're in the store, ask for a price check. It's the easiest way to see if our magic toilet paper has reduced down in price. And you just have to wait this one out and babysit the deal. And for $1.49 on the website, the Smoochy Soft, very cute little product. That's a really good price point. Is this going to replace the other one? Is that why they're trying to clear the other one out? I don't know, but for $1.49, that is a killer price point. We'll have to wait and see and do a test of this Smoochy Soft. Is it worth buying? Yes or no? And we will figure that out. Okay, so the first deal that we're looking at is done specifically in store because it's involving a register reward. This promotion is to buy 4 of these P&G paper products. That includes a Bounty, Charmin Puffs, and another Charmin as well, the Charmin Essential. Get back a $5 register reward. Now, all of these products currently have dollar digital coupons, so grab one of each that's tagged at $5.49, part of the buy 4, get back a $5 register reward, and hopefully your store has all of the tags hung by now. And just, grab one of each because of the digital coupons. And I will show you the digital coupons here in a second. But we usually don't get this many coupons for paper. But I think with Thanksgiving right around the corner, they know a lot of us are entertaining and probably going through quite a bit of paper. So they're like, we'll just give you something. So these 3 magics load, and then this little friend load as well. Remember, all digital coupons are of a one-time use, so if you used Puffs last week, you can't use it again. 4 of these paper products in store is $21.96. $4 in digitals melting off, $17.96. If you might have a register reward from the Crest or Colgate or the Dove shampoo, throw it in for a smaller out-of-pocket. So pay that $17.96, get back a $5 register reward, $12.96 for the 4 or $3.24 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but either way, if you have register rewards from other promotions such as Colgate, Dove, whatever's the hot ones this week, you can throw one of those in for a lesser out-of-pocket if you don't have a lot of Walgreens Cash. Last 2 deals, we're doing curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, driving to the store, picking it up, paying for it obviously when you put your order in, but we're doing it that way. The first is to grab 7 of the Walgreens brand paper products at $3.49. They're usually $3.99, but a little bit of extra savings. You can grab the paper towel or the toilet paper. So 7 of them is $24.43. Using the code WAG10, you're saving an additional $2.44 off. Now, I know there's a 30, spend 30, get 15% off, and then a spend 50. I mean, if you wanted to go really big, by all means, go for it. And just to show you, $24.43, $2.44 melting off, free curbside pickup and tax. If you wish to use $20 of Walgreens Cash for this pickup, go for it. Pay $3.31, get to the store and get your paper. And this is not a bad little deal for 7 units of paper. And make sure your guests don't steal all your paper when they come to visit you for Thanksgiving, because, I mean, it might look really impressive if you have a big mountain of it somewhere in your house. Okay, the next deal is deal number 3. Again, we're doing this one curbside. Fancier products that include this 16 count of the mega rolls, so it is a lot of toilet paper. We have a $3 digital to go with this one, so we're looking at $21.96. And then the really big Angel Softs are $10.99 again this week with a 50-cent digital coupon. Alternatively, if this is your toilet paper of choice, you can grab 2 of them and use $20 of Walgreens cash. But if you are into Charmin too, grab 1 of each, why not? And then we can use that code SALE15. I was just talking about it. 15% off of 30 for $4.42 off. Charmin $3 coming off along with a 50-center for Angel Soft. The overall total for this basket is $32.98. Using that percentage off code, this is why it's so much better to do this as a curbside than to do the deal in store. We also have $3.50 and digitals melting off. So $27.13. If you wish to use $20 of Walgreens cash, go for it. Pay $7.13. Alternatively, if you're using that booster of 7 back when you spend $25, you would pay with your debit card and get back $7 of Walgreens cash. Not a bad little deal. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.